Are you looking for instructions on how you can rename apps on your iPhone or iPad that is running iOS 18 or later? If you answered yes, then you are in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how you can rename any iPhone app with the help of the Shortcuts app. We will also share steps that will enable you to select a custom icon for the renamed app. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Launch the Shortcuts app. It is a stock app that should already be installed on your device. If you don't have the Shortcuts app, then you can download it from the App Store. Inside the Shortcuts app, tap on the plus button from the top right corner. Next, tap on where it says Search Actions and search for Open App and add this action to your shortcut. Now tap on the app label found next to where it says Open and then select the app that you want to rename. You can select any stock or third-party app that you have downloaded from the App Store. Now tap on the arrow button located next to where it says Open App and then select the rename option from the menu. Enter your desired name for the renamed app and tap on the Done button from the keyboard. Now that your shortcut has been created, long press on it and then tap on the Share option. From the share sheet, select the Add to Home Screen option. On the screen, you can select the color of your app's icon or you can select a custom icon from your photos for your renamed app. To select custom icon, tap on this icon here and then tap on Choose Photo option. From the Photos interface, select your desired image or icon for the app and tap on the Choose option. Finally, hit the Add button from the top in order to add the app's icon on the home screen. As you can see, the newly renamed app has been added to the home screen. You can tap on it to launch the app like normal. Now it's time to hide the original app icon. You can easily do this by long pressing on its icon and tapping on the Remove App option. Then from the pop-up menu, make sure you select the Remove from Home Screen option. That's it. This is how you can rename an app and select a custom icon for any app. If you found this tip helpful, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips.